welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a Bella Hadid hairstyle, and yeah, I'm very excited to do this hairstyle because she's very beautiful, and she has always nice hairstyles and nice eye makeup. And if you're wondering, okay, how did she do this hairstyle? Well, stay tuned because I'm gonna share my secrets with you. So keep watching.
Okay, the first step is definitely to brush your hair. This will make it a lot easier for us to do this hairstyle, and it would also look a lot better. And when we finish brushing our hair, we're gonna continue with the pony part. We're gonna use our finger to mark our spots. I separate my hair near my eyebrow wing and continue to my ear, and that's all the hair you need. And now I'm gonna use a elastic on my pony so I won't mix up with the hair at the back. Then we start brushing our hair again because we're gonna make a ponytail. And brushing your hair, your hair will look a lot smoother, and that's what we need for this hairstyle. So once you're finished brushing, we're gonna make a ponytail, and because I don't have a elastic, I'm gonna use the pony elastic. Yeah, sometimes you have to be creative and use whatever you have. So that's why I work only with one elastic, because I only have one elastic. So yeah. After the ponytail, we're gonna use hairspray and with toothbrush on our hair, because this will make our hair look a lot smoother and silkier, and that's what we want. And now we're gonna secure our pony. We're gonna first brush our pony, and make sure you won't brush a lot on top of your hair, because that will reduce your volume on top, and that's what we don't want. So once you're happy how it looks, we're gonna take a bobby pin and secure our pony. After we finish the pony part, we're gonna continue with the ponytail. We're gonna take a little bit hair and twirl that around the elastic so you won't see that. It will give you a more a sophisticated look actually, and I really like that. And we also gonna secure this hair with the bobby pin, just like that. And it already looks very good, but we have one step to go. We're gonna use a straightener, and we're gonna actually curl a little bit the underneath of the ponytail, just like this. And we're gonna do that with all the sections of the ponytail. And this is the end result. And I'm really in love with the waves underneath of my ponytail and also the pony in the front. So yeah.
Okay guys, this is the end of my video and I am so in love with this look and wow. On camera it seems to me that the look is a little bit less, but when I look in the mirror, oh my god, I really love this look. So I think I will wear this look more often. This hairstyle gives me the 70s vibes and I really like it. Okay guys, if you guys have any questions for about this video or about this hairstyle, you can ask them in the comments below, and I would like to and I would love to reply to all of your questions. So if you're thinking, hey, how did you do that, questions in the comment below, and I would love to answer all of your questions. And all the products I use for this hairstyle, I would put that in the description below. If you guys tried this hairstyle, please tag me in it because I'm very curious how your results have turned out. And if you have friends and family who love this hairstyle, please tag them.
Okay guys, I'm gonna take now a lot of selfies for Instagram because I really like taking pictures of my hair. And if you're wondering how they turned out, go to my Instagram page and see the end results.
And if you like this video, please like it. And if you don't want to miss any of my videos, you should definitely click on the button subscribe so you won't miss any of my videos. It would be nice. So subscribe to my channel so we can be best friends forever. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you the next time.